Heating and air conditioning is not a luxury, it's a necessity. No matter where you live, you need your space to be cool and comfortable.
Watsco today is the largest distributor of HVAC products in this hemisphere, and probably the world.
Just to give you a sense of our scale, there's a very good chance that the system in your home or your business came through one of our locations, because about 1 in 5 of all air conditioning and heating systems in America went through one of our locations before it got to you. Also, when your air conditioning system breaks, you call a contractor. That contractor is our customer. They'll come to one of our stores and we have everything he needs to do the job. From the equipment itself, to the parts and the pieces, to the thermostats, the ductwork, you name it. We carry 200,000 different products. We service about 100,000 contractors across all of North America. My father is the man who built this business. He got here in 1972 when it was a small manufacturer of air conditioning parts and pieces and other products.
Doing about $5 million in sales, and eventually I changed it to distribution by starting to buy distribution companies.
And today he's grown the business through acquisitions, and there's been 67 acquisitions of HVAC distribution businesses since 1989, doing about $7.5 billion of sales through a network of almost 700 locations throughout North America. So we're always looking for growth.
Today, our shares trade on the New York Stock Exchange, and recently was valued at $13 billion.
In our acquisition strategy, managing risk is essential. That's why we only want to find great businesses with great leaders and empower them to continue to make decisions at the local level because they know best.
Selling our business was probably one of the most emotional things I've ever gone through in my life. But when I met Al and AJ and the Watsco team, I knew it was the right choice. Watsco's been just fabulous in the sense that they wanted us to retain our culture, and they let us continue to run the business in the way that we know how. They have provided us with innovation and technology, which has helped us grow the business even more. We now feel like we're part of the Watsco family.
Watsco is leading the industry in technology, plain and simple. First and foremost, it puts data in the hands of decision makers across the company. Technology at Watsco also means helping our customers be more efficient, help them find the products they need, help them purchase those products they need, help them surprise and delight their customers so that they win more in the markets. And when our customers win in the markets, we win. They drag us along in their growth. Our impact is more than just the bottom line financially. Increasingly become more important and more obvious to us is how impactful we can be on climate change. HVAC systems account for about half of the energy used in a typical home in the United States. And we've sold more high efficiency units and heat pumps than anyone else, which replace older systems which are operating at a much less efficient standard. Watsco has prevented over 12 million metric tons of CO2e emissions through the sale of our high efficiency systems. That's the equivalent of taking 2.6 million cars off the road every year. And that's something we're very proud of. So we are really able to move the needle, and it's a big needle. I think people genuinely enjoy working at Watsco. It's a high energy place, people have a great attitude, and there's a team spirit and a common mission. In our culture, we talk about a competition of ideas a lot, and it doesn't matter if you're the CEO or an intern. Your voice is expected to be heard. You're supposed to challenge each other and have debate, and it's the best idea wins. Our ownership culture and use of equity in awards for high performers creates meaningful incentives for long-term employees.
I love coming to work every day because I love to see the people I work with every day. They're part of the family. Working at Watsco is always about teamwork. There's no hierarchy or agendas, so we all care about each other and what everybody's doing and how we can help each other out. It's very gratifying to work for a company that has a significant impact on the environment and then is working with technological solutions. And I think that combination allows for people to add an enormous amount of value every day.
I think the future is better than the past because we have so many more capabilities than we did. And I'm very secure that AJ, who's the second generation, is going to not only do as well as I did, probably do better. So we've got a very exciting future.
We will continue to grow, to innovate, to lead, all while remembering what got us here. It's our culture of entrepreneurism, being dedicated, passionate, hardworking, smart, and collaborative. It's been a wonderful, impressive history for Watsco, but I think our best years are still ahead of us.